Hi guys, this is Monica. Welcome to my channel, Spanish Halo. My Sensi website is SpanishHalo.sensi.us. Sorry. Um, this is from this is the mid-year freakout book tag. I'm gonna see if I can tag Amber's bars and books. I saw her doing it, so I wanted to do my own. I am an avid book reader. I try to read every day. I've been reading since I was 11. I'm 57 now, so you guys can. Best book you read so far in 2026. I'm glad my mom died. From, hold on, let me get. It takes forever to load. My phone takes forever to load, but this is the book. Let's see. Jeanette McCurdy. There you go. Oops. There you go. This was a really interesting book. Her mom really did her wrong, but it was a really good book. I do not rate my books. I am a big believer in just reading. So the same with I'm not going to tell you what it's about. I'm just going to tell you if I read it or whatever. I just want you guys to go read. And excuse the burping if it bothers you. It bothers me too. Best sequel you read so far in 2026. It's The Youngbloods Hell to Pay from Cami Garcia. This is the third book in the series, the conclusion. Like I said, I don't rate my books. I just read them, and that was a really good book. Why did I pause that? I don't know what I'm reading. Okay. No releases you haven't read yet but want to. Brandy, the singer. I want to read her memoir. It's in my Spotify playlist. Most anticipated, number 4, most anticipated release for the second half of the year. I looked up books that are coming out this year, and the only one that I looked like it would be interesting to me is from Jodi Picoult. It's called Hollow Bones. And again, I don't know what it's about or anything. Just look her up. If you're on Goodreads, you can find me and all that. Follow me. Number 5, biggest disappointment. It's from Jen Suklong Lee. It's called The Conjoined. I don't know if it's it. There you go. And the only reason it's a disappointment is I need this to be a series on video, so that would be great. That's the only reason it's a disappointment. Oh, hold on. I'm already trying to pause you. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing. Biggest surprise. Is American Girl from Wendy Walker. This one was really good. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but the more it went in, it's like a mystery suspense. It was really good. Number 7, favorite author, new or debut for this year. It's called The Grand Hotel, but Scott Kennemore. This was an interesting book, especially like the narrator. You have to guess who it is. So that was pretty cool. I like that. So he's I've never read anything by him before. Number 8, newest fictional crush. Oh, sorry, it ended up turning off. The last question was number 8, newest fictional crush. Hold on. I'm trying to pause this because I'm burping a lot, so that's the only reason. The book is called Fangirl Down by Tessa Bailey, and in it is what is his name? Oh shoot! Oh, the character's name is Walls Whitaker. So that's the question for that. Um, Number 9, newest favorite character from the same book is the girl in the book. Her name is Josephine Doyle. Number 10, book that made you cry. It is this one. It's called On Earth We're Briefly Gorgeous from Ocean Vuong. I don't know how to say it. I guess it's a woman. That's a really good book. It's about it's a letter from a son to his mother that can't read. Oh my god, it's very emotional. Number 11, a book that made you happy. This one, Sally's Lament. Twisted Tale from Marie Mancusi. It's the uh, it's the book before Nightmare Before Christmas. How we got to Sally and Jack and all that. Ugh, we're almost finished. Most beautiful book you bought or received this year. I don't buy physical books. I only do audiobooks, so none. Number 13, what book do you need to read by the end of the year? I'm on book, I just finished book 27, so my goal is 50, so the rest, 13 more? Number 14, what book do you want to reread this year? Harry Potter, Prisoner of Azkaban. I read the first one 2 years ago, the other one last year, so this year I'm going to read Prisoner of Azkaban, and then, so and so. Number 15, a book you enjoyed with mixed reviews. Trial by Fire by Danielle Steele. Her storylines are all pretty much basically the same. It's a woman that falls in love, she has kids, and then she loses a husband, and how she has to go on with her life. It was a good book, but they're like all pretty much the same type of book. But my mother is a big Danielle Steele fan, so I've started reading her stuff, and again, I think, see if I can tag Amber's Bars and Books or Books and Bars. I can never get it right. I apologize, Amber. So anyways, those were the mid-year freak out. Since we're about to start July in a couple of weeks, and like I said, I read 27 books. My goal this year is 50, so I'm halfway there. So again, this is Monica. I would say like and subscribe, but with all this burping, oh my god, it's annoying. I can't wait for the day when there's no burping involved. And I've taken pills for heartburn, doesn't do nothing. I've taken Gas-X, it makes it worse. So I just need to see my GI doctor, and I'm going to see him in the end of July. So hopefully soon we will have a problem, and it's not because I just ate it. The problem is my stomach is digesting slow. So whatever I ate 2 hours ago, it's barely coming up now, and it does all this bloating, and it's kind of hard when you're trying to record videos. Sorry about that. I got cut off, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye.